Hey guys, welcome to BrinaCreations. My name is Oge and I'm reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, I want to show you a garden tour of my garden as at January of 2025. So this is the part of my garden where I had my garlic, onions, some tomatoes and okra. And they were doing fine until the harmattan or the dry season began and then all died. I tried to water, but maybe it wasn't sufficient enough. Maybe also the soil wasn't that good. I have some black soil here and I have some plants growing. I've been doing a lot of watering and I have a lot of plants, a couple of plants, including my avocado that is doing well. I've harvested a lot of my water leaves which used to be here. I still have some spinach. I also have some awolowo plant, and here I have some scent leaf that is coming up. I have some new plant growth. Weeds also dealt with me a lot last year and I'm going to address that in this coming year. I have my ugu. I have a lot going on here. This is my apple tree which I'm going to be transplanting. I'll be doing a more detailed video on how I got the apple and every other thing around it. So guys, by the way, my name is Oge and I'm reaching from Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes and how to manage your home on the budget. My ugu is doing well. I have some that have shrunk, which is fine. I also planted some towards the end of last year, I think sometime in December last year, and they're doing just fine. Some of the leaves are drying up, that's what the season brings, and I have tons and tons of curry leaves, which is basil, as well as scent leaves. So guys, I have here soursop, and I also have in front of this, I have ahead some guava tree also coming by. This year 2025, a lot is going to happen and I'm already making plans to make some adjustments. To be honest, I abandoned this farm for a while because I cannot actually stand a new plant growth and all I was doing was just water. I have some products here. I have here some nursery bags that I had which I couldn't transplant. I have that garden egg which is overripe now, some pawpaw, and guess what, this pawpaw plant grew in this mini grow bags, these mini nursery bags. Yes, and I cannot destroy it. It's already beginning to mature and hopefully it's going to start producing. So I'm just going to let it be here. Maybe I'll transplant it, I don't know, but I'm not going to kill it. I have some bitter leaves. I have and tons of weed going. There's really a whole lot of work I need to do, guys. I have some garden egg, a new plant garden egg coming up. So guys, how are you planning to make this new year garden work out for you guys? Miracle plant is also here. So my garden is not doing so badly for a harmattan period or a drought period, which you all know is this is my avocado, which we all know that is associated with so much drought and plants drying, but I think I've done well for myself, right? So if you like videos like this, you want to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share, and then drop your comments below if you have any questions. I will be showing you all the things I will get as well as how I intend to do this year's garden for the year 2025. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.